What's up guys, it's your boy Manny back here again with one more review. If you were gonna say, is this another headphone video? You're right. We got another headphone video today. Today we have the Beats Studio Buds, fresh off the press. They just came out. I wanted to take a look at them because this is kind of like the first time Beats does something so small like that doesn't go around your ear or have a wire attached to it. So I think this is gonna be really nice. I got it in the red color because I always decide to get either white or black when it comes to headphones, so I wanted to try something different. But either way guys, let's dive in. Let's open these right away and we're gonna jump right in and see how good these are. I've heard a lot of good things about them for the price point, and we'll go over the price point later because it is very, very tempting. So here you got this little packaging that comes in. You got some literature on this side. I believe you also get a Beats sticker as well. You got more little ear fits there just to make sure that they fit in your ear, and you got a USB-C to USB-C charge cable so you can go ahead and charge them. Here is the actual little foam thing that the headphones come in. They actually look pretty cool. I like the red color. Let's pop that back in there and move that out of the way. So here we go. This is what it looks like, fresh, opened up. It looks pretty cool. Man, that red looks really nice. It's got the red with the Beats logo right in the middle. Pop them open, boom, there you go. You have the headphones also with the little Beats logo on there. I think that looks really cool. I like the size of the case right off the bat. Very slim, very small, very sleek with that matte finish. So I think it looks really, really cool. Compared to the UE, the fits that I got, it's almost identical when you look at the actual case. I'm pretty sure they were made in the same place because it's almost identical. But the one thing I didn't like about these was the texture to them, very slippery. So these with that matte finish is actually pretty cool. So we're gonna open these guys up and I'm going to start the pairing process. So there you go. As soon as you open them up, of course you got an iPhone. I don't know if you guys can see that, but you get the actual Connect Beats Studios. I'll go ahead and hit connect on them, let them connect. But these things, I mean, looking at them right away, wow, they connected right away. They both have their batteries on. So looking at them, I like the way they look. I like the feel of the case. Now it's all about, here's the actual headphone. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it is really, really nice. They're very small, very, very lightweight. I kind of like what they did with the little end here. It's almost like a little grip. Can't call it a stem. It's almost like a little finger grip, but I like how it is. So let's see. Let's put these guys in here. Now I have the tips that actually came with them. I didn't change them out. So let's listen to these guys. So far, I can barely hear anything. I hear myself very deep. Let me go right into it. The cool thing about the Beats is right when you go to the Bluetooth settings, for the actual headphones, just like the AirPods, you've got the noise canceling, you've got the transparency, you have all the controls and everything straight there from the actual Bluetooth. So it's pretty cool. You don't have to get another app like the UE to kind of fix it and do everything. It does it straight from the actual native Apple app. So that's pretty cool. Right now it has noise canceling on. I turned on transparency. Hold on. Sorry guys, I put the music on. I turned on transparency. It sounds good. I still hear myself muffled, but I can hear myself a little clearer, if that makes sense. Let me do the noise canceling. I mean, the transparency is okay. It's not great. I hear myself almost like if I was talking into like a can. It's like the best way to describe it. So it sounds weird. Definitely nothing compared to the iPhone, the AirPods. The AirPods are like the best when it comes to the transparency. I mean, it's almost like you don't have anything in your ears. You could just talk and it works good. You know, these are not too bad. I'm pretty sure the Apple AirPods are way, way better when it comes to that. But I'm gonna start playing music now. I'm gonna start it in transparency and then I'm gonna go ahead and put it in noise canceling, and then we're gonna see what ends up going on. So let me turn on one song here. It sounds very good. Let's see. All right, I have the volume pretty much at 50%. David, say something.
Yo, can you hear me?
I can hear you pretty good. This is with transparency on, noise canceling comes on. David, say something.
Yo, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can't hear you at all now when you turn on the noise canceling. So that's pretty good. Let me go back to the song. It sounds very good, I'll be honest with you. If you like that rich bass that normally Beats headphones are known for that really rich bass, this definitely delivers. You hear your ears rattling, so the bass is there, which I think is pretty neat. You know, not all of you might like that depending on what music you listen to, but for me, I think that sounds really, really cool. I'm actually gonna go into a straight, like an actual bass music, because I wanna kinda hear and see how good this really sounds with that bass. So let's put that and try that out. All right, guys, they sound great. I definitely like the whole bass part of it. I think that's pretty cool. It sounds like you really get the bass. It really goes, it sounds really cool. So I like the sound. The highs sound very good. Mids are also coming through very well. As far as for the price point on these, this is very good. They sound great. I was surprised because of the price point and how good they sound right now. I mean, I can't believe they're for that price. I would have probably paid more for them.
You want.
Just to go over real quick, in the app, you have the left and the right. You can actually change what you want it to do. So if you press one button, you could do the noise canceling on and off, so it toggles through that, or you can change it to Siri, so that way you can just speak right into Siri and have Siri do anything that it needs to do. So I think that's pretty cool right off the bat. But I mean, guys, these are some pretty cool headphones for Beats to come out with something like this. They've been kind of quiet lately, and to come out with something like this, so small, to kind of compete, which is kind of weird because Apple owns Beats. So they come out with something like this to kind of compete against the AirPods. You know, it's not AirPod quality yet, but it's very good. It's very, very good. So I honestly can't complain as far as what you're getting for it. And then I've been telling you about this price point, and that's what I really want to talk about, because that's what makes these worthwhile, is the actual price point. Now, looking at them straight out, they are $149. Brand new, fresh out of the box, which I think that's a pretty good price for headphones that sound this good and that are this punchy, and this tiny and this small are very good. So for $149, you get noise canceling, which is very, very good. I couldn't hear David at all when he was talking to me. The transparency, doesn't sound that good. But the transparency to me, as long as I can hear myself and hear the other person, is all I really care about. It's definitely not Apple status, nowhere near yet, but it is very good. As far as the actual headphones, 8 hours with ANC off, 16 hours with the actual case, 24 hours complete charge with both of them. So that's a pretty good, again, battery comparing to pretty much everything. And for that $149 price, guys, that's awesome. I mean, you look at the actual AirPods right now, and the AirPods right now they're normally $249. The AirPods Pro, they're $197. You can find them on sale now. So still a little bit more expensive than these, which is not bad at all. And then you got the UE, the Ultimate Ears, the Fits, which is what I last reviewed, which are very, very good. These are $249 as well, just like the AirPods, but they're on sale for $197 right now. So you're looking at $200 or $50 less for $149. To be honest with you, if you just want a good pair of headphones to have and put on your ear, I mean, $149, this is awesome. I think this is great. For me, still, the best ones are the AirPods, for sure. But you guys let me know. Let me know if you want to see a video comparing these three headphones and seeing which is the best for the ultimate music and for the ultimate user experience. But guys, $149. These are awesome. They come in red, I believe they come in white, and they come in like a silver color, if I'm not mistaken. So you can choose your different colors, but these are pretty good. But let me know down in the comments, guys, if you want to see a comparison of these three together to see which takes the crown. Other than that, guys, this was a quick video. This is Manny signing out with one more review.